Good day, everyone!
Right now, you're tuning into SDT, or what we call Sit Down and Talk.
But before we start, let us first introduce our host.
My
name is Stephanie Pijaros.
My name is Jeremy A. Cabosa.
I'm Samantha Nicola Gomez.
Real Talks,
Real Thoughts.
So, ang topic natin ngayong podcast episode is all about philosopher that we all interested the most. Kilala niyo ba kung sino yun?
So in this episode, ang pag-uusapan natin ay si Socrates. Yes guys, you heard it right. It will be no other than the Greek philosopher Socrates.
So for today's episode of podcast, we will talk about Socrates. As we all know, Socrates is one of the famous Greek philosophers. So guys, can you give insight on why we will talk about him?
So we want to talk about him because we believe that knowledge is the key. And hindi niya nakikita yung sarili as a teacher kundi isang seeker of wisdom.
At itunuro na rin na highest goal in life is to achieve self-knowledge through virtue and wisdom. Am I right?
Yes, which can help us understanding our own self.
Alright, let me ask our question to our dearest viewers and listeners. Do you know who Socrates is? May idea ba kayo about sa kanya? I bet you do.
Of course, he's very well known as field of philosophy.
So, kahit marami sa atin yung hindi kilala or walang idea sa philosophy niya, sa episode na to, bibigyan namin kayo ng insights and more ideas kung sino nga ba siya.
So let's move forward to introducing our mighty philosopher, no other than Socrates.
So just for a quick introduction, Socrates was born at Alopis, Athens, Greece around 470 He is an ancient Greek philosopher and he is credited as the father of Western philosophy. And he is among the first moral philosophers.
Also, he is the proponent of know thyself, Socratic dialectic method that we can still use and learn in 21st century.
So guys, if manininig kayo yung word na know thyself, ano yung first thing na pumapasok sa isip niyo?
When I hear about it, especially in school, the first thing that came to my mind is about knowing ourselves.
For me, it's about self-awareness, the knowledge, and about one's virtue or nature. So guys, ano ko napapasok sa utak niyo pag naririnig niyo yung Socratic dialectic method?
Oh, when I hear that method, it's all about sa mga tanong na kailangan sagutin.
At yung mga questionnaires na yun, they were designed to help us to reflect and to move forward with clarity and wisdom.
Yes, it's also help about learning and knowing about strength and weaknesses.
Alright, he really has a lot of contribution in the sphere of philosophy. But do we already ask ourselves how he and his philosophy can help us in understanding ourselves? What do you think, guys?
As for me, natutulungan ako ni Socrates pati ng philosophy niya in understanding myself better. And lalo na in terms ng philosophy niya na Socratic dialectic method kasi natutulungan niya ako to reflect sa mga actions na ginagawa ko. Tsaka by asking myself kung ano ba yung mga morally good and bad, natututunan ko kung ano ba yung mga values and principles na pinangahawakan ko in life. How about you guys? Based on your own experiences.
Socrates' philosophy helps us understanding yourself when you start questioning your beliefs, values, and purpose in life.
For me, nakakatulong siya para ibigin palalo yung knowledge and seeking truth. And Socrates helped me to clarify more about thinking.
As for me, Socrates helped me understand myself by teaching me to question my thoughts and emotions before making decisions. Instead of reacting right away, I try to reflect first, just like Socrates taught, and help me know what truly matters to me and what I really want in life.
Ayan, so marami talaga tayo natutunan kay Socrates in terms of understanding ourselves.
Oh yes, it really does. Oh! One of our viewers dropped a question, and that question is, through the philosophy of Socrates, from your own insight and view, what did you learn and discover about yourself?
So for me, through Socrates' philosophy is thinking deeply who I am, why I do things.
I learned that Socrates helped me to understand about questioning our beliefs and about how we live.
So in this episode, na-realize ko na marami pa palang ways para mas maintindihan ko yung sarili ko. And nalaman ko din yung importance ng pagkilala natin sa mga sarili natin kasi it will help us to grow and to become a better person.
I realized that understanding myself isn't just about knowing what I like or dislike, but about questioning why I do certain things and how I can improve from them. Socrates' way of reflection helped me become more aware of my action and thoughts. It made me see that self-knowledge is lifelong process of learning and growing. So this will be the end of our podcast for today.
So sana marami kayo naiintindihan at naunawaan patungkol kay Socrates.
So again, I'm Conrad Luis Garcia.
I am Stephanie Pijeron.
I'm Jalmi Egabaza,
I'm Samantha Nicole Elgone.
and this is our podcast. Bye guys! Thank you!
Huwag mong tanong mo yung si Socrates.